Yes, good morning, YouTubers. This morning I'm cooking some curry chicken and some red pea soup. You can see the soup is bubbling away. Red pea soup. Look at it. This is the way I do my red pea soup, and I'm doing some rice and peas. This is the rice and peas. Yes, you can see it. How I do it. Lots of peas. Lots of peas. Yeah, red pea soup and red pea soup, rice and peas. Yes, and I'm doing some curry chicken. So what I would like you to do, like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is Auntie Claire, Jamaican Cooking TV.